today I am discussing about agriculture. Let me introduce me. My name is Chirant from 8th standard. I am from Kanavansari. Today we are discussing about farming India and USA. In India they have small size of land and USA they have 250 acres more than large size of land they have. So they are spraying in fertilizers in aeroplane or anything. They are in technology. We are in India. We have only 1.5 acres, 2.5 acres, some size of land size in our India. So we are fertilizing in small machineries fertilizing in our India. Today